Okay, this is where we do the deal of the week. We're just about to go and see a property that's currently advertised for auction with Lovitz. We're over in Coventry, Elsley Village. Hopefully I pronounced that right, but we'll put the details below of the deal so you can have a look at it yourself. So as we go in, obviously the key thing is to investigate, is this something that we could rent out, make some good cash flow? Is this something that we flip, make some good capital growth? Or is this something that we reject, just another number, and we put it part of our research? But that will go down to you. What will you do with the deal of the week? Let's go and have a look at the property. Let's go. Just a quick pointer, if you're going to do properties and look at properties, the one thing that you should do, and this is going to separate you from other investors, is make sure you have a notepad. Okay, so if you haven't got a notepad, here's my notepad. Boom. Okay, we take notes, we write down, and we investigate what's actually happening in that property, because I guarantee you this, as you go to have a look at a property, you will forget. So every time we do a deal of the week, you should be looking and making notes. Go out there, look at properties, take notes, go back, research, okay, based on the notes that you've taken. All right? Seeing this, we're talking about full gut, everything needed really in here. We do have issues of damp, and you'll see some of that, but if you look around, so it's obviously deceased property. Look in the bathroom here. Would you want that? Look at that. Can you see that? Okay, so we 2-bedroom, as you see in here. And you see a lot of damp. Now something we need to have a look at is that that looks like it just hasn't been, windows haven't been opened and things like that, and mold and stuff obviously grown, but that needs to be investigated. But you'll see there's a lot here in the corners, down here, also up there. Okay, so a lot of work needed on this. We'll look at the guide price, look at the catalogue, and see what we think. But a lot of work to be done on this one.
It looks like whenever you're looking at deals, you really want to be looking what the area looks like as well. It's got a villagey feel. You can see it's a church down there. Feels really nice actually. Feels like home, somewhere where you'd want to live. There's the agent. So we're going to be meeting her at another property. But yeah, has a lovely feel. So it's the property over there in the corner. So we look at the roof. It looks like it's leaking in place. If there's something that you have to cost in, put into your costings, is this something that could make or break the deal? Or have a look at the prices, do some numbers. But yeah, the area looks really nice.
So we've just seen that property there, you've seen the pictures. The question is, would you buy to flip, buy to sell, or reject? A lot of work. This is not for the faint-hearted, this property. It's the deal of the week. What would you do?